Hello, and welcome to the exciting world of YouTube automation. If you've ever dreamed of creating captivating YouTube content with minimal effort, you're in the right place. Today, I'll introduce you to a revolutionary approach that combines the power of AI and cutting-edge tools to streamline and automate your video creation process. First, we'll look into what YouTube automation is all about. Imagine having more time to focus on your strategy and growth while your channel continually gets enriched with high-quality content. One of the incredible tools we'll talk about today is ChatGPT for script writing. Next, we'll talk about Pictory AI. Pictory is a state-of-the-art AI tool that auto-generates visual, compelling, and engaging videos with superior AI voiceover. It's about enhancing the quality and appeal of your videos, ensuring that each one captures your audience's attention. But seeing is believing, right? That's why I'll be showing you a live demo of how these tools work together to create YouTube content that stands out. Plus, as a bonus, you'll receive my free ebook on the 3 steps of monetizing automated YouTube channels. And it is packed with insights and strategies to turn your content into a revenue stream. Now, with these 3 steps, as I teach in my course, I started off with my first YouTube automation channel, and I made a few $1,000s in the first week. And after 6 months, I was up at $200,000. And I can show you how to do that in the course. So get ready to transform the way you create content and unlock the full potential of your YouTube channel with automation.
Hello, and welcome to the world of YouTube automation, your fast track to content creation. Before we get started, let me give you an auto-generated, faceless overview of YouTube automation so that you can see the difference, because I want to tell you about using artificial intelligence to automate content creation for your faceless YouTube channel. Let's take a look at what I like to call true YouTube automation, smart AI that makes content creation a breeze. Until now, what many considered automation was essentially outsourcing content development to offshore teams for script writing and video production. But today we're talking about a game-changing approach that puts real automation at your fingertips. With the advent of ChatGPT, script writing is no longer a time-consuming task. In minutes, you can have engaging scripts ready to go, tailored specifically to your audience's interests and needs. Next up is Pictory, a groundbreaking tool that transforms these scripts into visually compelling, engaging videos complete with superior AI voiceovers. This isn't just about cutting corners. It's about enhancing the quality of your content while saving invaluable time. In just a moment, you'll see a demonstration of a video that took less than 10 minutes to produce from script to final cut. This demo will showcase the remarkable capabilities of these tools and the kind of high-quality content they can generate. But let's not forget, creating great content is just the first part of YouTube automation. The second crucial phase is monetizing your channel. That's where the YouTube Fast Track course comes in. This course is designed to teach you ingenious strategies to automate marketing and affiliate revenue, turning your channel into a money-making machine. By clicking the link in the description below, you'll not only get access to this free course, but also receive the free ebook detailing the 3 steps of monetizing automated YouTube channels. So this is what true automation looks like. And next, watch a demonstration of the high-quality content you can produce with ChatGPT and Pictory. This is content with valuable information that is compelling and engaging, and that can go viral. Check it out.
Let's explore the top 5 passive income streams for 2024. Go into their potential, accessibility, and how you can get started with each. 1. YouTube. Monetizing your creativity. YouTube continues to be a lucrative platform for generating passive income. With its vast audience, content creators can earn through ad revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. The key to success on YouTube lies in creating engaging, original content and building a dedicated audience. It requires initial effort in content creation and channel promotion, but once established, it can provide a steady income stream through ad revenues and sponsorships. 2. Blogging. Leveraging content for income. Blogging remains a strong passive income source in 2024. By creating a blog on a niche topic, you can attract a targeted audience. Monetization comes from various sources like affiliate marketing, sponsored posts, and ad revenues. The beauty of blogging is the flexibility it offers. You can write about your passions or expertise and monetize your knowledge and experiences. 3. Online courses. Sharing knowledge. The e-learning industry has seen exponential growth, making online courses a profitable passive income stream. If you have expertise in a particular field, creating an online course can be a great way to earn. Platforms like Udemy, Coursera, or your own website can host your courses. Once your course is created and uploaded, it requires minimal upkeep, providing a scalable source of income. 4. Cryptocurrency. The digital asset opportunity. cryptocurrency has become a mainstream investment option by 2024. While it's more volatile than traditional investments, it offers the potential for high returns. Passive income can be generated through methods like crypto staking or yield farming, where you earn rewards for holding certain cryptocurrencies. However, it's important to understand the risks involved and consider this as part of a diversified investment strategy. 5. Stocks. Dividend investing. Stock market investments, particularly dividend stocks, are a time-tested passive income source. By investing in companies that pay regular dividends, you can receive a steady income stream. In 2024, with the availability of various investment platforms, it's easier than ever to start investing in stocks. It's important to research and choose stocks wisely, focusing on companies with a strong history of dividend payments. In 2024, these 5 passive income streams offer diverse opportunities for earning without the need for active involvement. Whether it's through digital content creation on YouTube and blogs, sharing knowledge via online courses, investing in the volatile yet potential rich world of cryptocurrency, or the more traditional route of dividend stocks, there's an option for everyone. The key to success in passive income is diversification, research, and a willingness to learn and adapt to new opportunities. Remember, the most successful passive income strategies require an initial investment of time, effort, or capital, but with the right approach, they can provide financial stability and growth for years to come.
Imagine earning thousands in passive income from your very own automated Faceless YouTube channel. The opportunity is just a click away. Click the link in the description now and take the first step towards your financial freedom. Don't be left behind. Thousands of people are already creating financial success. Don't miss out on your chance to join them. Click the link in the description now and start your path to financial freedom. Your future awaits. Like this video and subscribe to learn more about making.
For more information on this and related subjects, check out our blog. Don't miss out. Take the free course and create a passive income stream today. And join our Facebook group. It's a community of like-minded people elevating their personal finances where you can get practical advice, tips, and strategies. The links are down below in the description.